Here's a way to build a strong paragraph. The TIQA strategy. T is for topic sentence. Start with a sentence that clearly states your main idea. Example. School uniforms help create a better learning environment. I is for introduce the evidence. Lead into your example or fact. Example. One reason is that uniforms reduce distractions. Q is for quote or example. Give a specific piece of evidence. This can be a quote, fact, or example. Example. When everyone wears the same thing, students focus more on learning than on clothes. A is for analyze. Explain how your evidence supports your topic sentence. Example. This shows that uniforms help students concentrate, which improves learning. Use TIQA to write clear and well-supported paragraphs.